make a flower bracelet and maybe even put a cheeky monkey on top.
Ooh.
It's a bit strong on the nose.
Oh.
Animal farming. Strong on the nose. Oh, this colour is really, really tough.
Yeah, the shiny ones are really difficult to model with. They're tight.
Wow, I just like the colour, but it's definitely tight as. Normally you can quite easily put a knot in. Woof. So let's do 5 petals. Fold over about the same width and height. Do a little twist. And then put that through. There. There we go, that's 1. Now you want to have 5. Odd numbers are always better. They look more natural. Okay, we've got 2. Oh, it's getting tight. Oh, if it's tight, like I can feel it. You just sort of use the leftover to squeeze out and give yourself a little bit more flexibility. This one's very, very tight, and it might pop on us, and if it does, because we're on camera, you won't know. Or I don't know if I'm going to make that 5th one. A bit more. Yep, here we go. This one's going to be the danger one. We're in the danger zone. Right, we've got 5 petals. And we've got all this left over. We don't want that. Let's get rid of it. Make a little bubble there. And you pop that one. And then you can get rid of all of this.
How did you do that? You made that look so easy.
Yeah,
You twisted it and pulled it. Is that what you did?
Correct. And then you just wrap it around a few times. And it's gone. Excess. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gone.
Do you need man muscles for that?
No, the more times you stretch it, the weaker the balloon gets, and then so now then you can just pull it apart. Now you've got 5 petals. Then that's what colour do we want in the middle? Purple. Let's go purple. Now you only want a very delicate bubble, a tiny bubble, because we're making a bracelet to go around. So you just put a tiny puff in there and you get rid of most of that. About there. There we go. Now, quite a bit left over because you've got to wrap that onto that balloon.
So you deliberately left that.
There we go, see? So we've got a little, that's the middle of the flower. Let's wrap this in.
I see what you're doing.
Wrap, and then let it go. See? Now this we're twisting over. You use this to just twist over and pull in. Now you've got the middle of the flower. Wrap a couple of times. Now, left over, what do? It's sort of a flower, but we want it to hang on the wrist. So you get about a wrist amount, which is about there, and then the rest flip over. 1, 2, 3, and under.
Oh, I love it. It's so beautiful.
Kids have a lot of fun with that because they don't have to worry about holding it. All balloons like this don't like grass. Grass is very, very needles. It's just needles, microscopic. They touch that, boom, gone. So keep it away from grass.